Alright, now I want to talk a little bit about mounting plates for frameless hinges. So these frameless hinges have typically a mounting plate like this. There are a couple different versions of this. This one has a screw right here that you can loosen, and that makes it's a two-part thing, so the one part can slide up and down. That's what gives you your up and down adjustment. You can also get these with a screw here that's kind of got an eccentric screw there that can allow you to just turn the screw to the left or right and adjust your door up and down. The other type of hinge plate that I like, even more than these, is this one. So this one has little ears on the front here that allow you to line this up with the face of the cabinet, so you don't have to figure out your depth, right? You don't even have to. This is handy if you don't have holes already drilled to put your mounting plates, or if you're reconfiguring where the hinge goes. These are really nice for that. You can just put these right on your door. You can actually, what I do is typically I put my hinge on my door, put this on there, and then I can just bring my door right up to the cabinet, determine my height, and determine where the holes are going to be for that. I usually just hold the door there, run a couple screws in there, and then fasten the bottom. You do want to make sure you take this off and catch a screw in the backside, right here. If you don't, they're eventually going to wiggle loose, and it's going to strip the threads of the front screws. So very important to get that screw back there. Mounting plates also come in different heights. These are 0mm plates, and that's what you're going to use in most cases. A 0mm plate is going to bring your hinge all the way out to the edge of the cabinet if you're using a straight arm hinge like this. And if you need to change the reveal, like you're setting your hinge further to the, away from the edge, you can use a 3mm or a 6mm, and that can be used in places where you have a partition in a cabinet and you need to bump the doors apart from each other. You're only going halfway. However, you can also use a 0mm plate and use a different hinge. So this one you see has just a straight arm, and then there's the other one that has what they call the half crank. So the half crank already bumps this out halfway across your 3/4 inch partition. And so you're going to use these if you've got two doors coming against each other on a center partition in a cabinet. Otherwise, if you just got the end of a cabinet and you're bringing doors across the ends of your cabinet, where two cabinets come together, you've got two ends together, you're just going to use a regular 0mm plate and a regular long arm hinge. Alright, that's pretty much it for mounting plates. Let's talk next in the next video about hinge mounting screw-on versus dowel.